So let's get into these boho box braids. So you know I'm always using the Pure Naturals Neat Braid Conditioning Shining Gel to crispen up my part. You're going to start with the blow dried hair, and as far as braiding hair, just get some 1 pack of 1B braiding hair. Get the biggest 1 pack you can find, and a smaller pack of curly hair that's already curled. I don't know what the wave pattern is called, but get some curly hair for your boho pieces, and you only need 1 pack of that. So for this style, I am sectioning and braiding the hair row by row. I am not pre-parting because this is medium parts, and so I find it just faster just to go row by row to get this style done. So I basically just braided the first row in the back of my head all the way down, and I didn't add any curly pieces. And then the next scene you'll see will be me adding the curly pieces. And you can just add the curly pieces wherever you want them to lay. You can kind of hold them up around your head to see where you want them sticking out at. I don't have any method of where to place curly pieces, to be honest. The biggest tip I have for adding in the curly pieces to the braid is to, once you've braided to the point where you want to add in the curly piece, add the curly piece to the middle strand of hair that you're braiding, and clip away from the braid the other end of the curly piece so it doesn't get braided in with the rest of the hair.
Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
So once you get done braiding, you want to knot the end of each braid with a small knot so it doesn't unravel. Then we're going to wrap the end.
Yo, hey man, anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up? Fix things, quick things, loopings.
Dip them in hot water to set. Then after dipping, let the hair cool. And then after that, comb through your curls a bit, and then boom, you got your boho box braids. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. Peace.